What's up, y'all? Say hi, RJ. Say hi. Yep. Say hi.
Hi.
Mike, say hi. Yep, everyone say hi. Okay, yeah. What is up, guys? By the title of this video, you guys probably know exactly what's happening. Since I'm in my truck with the trailer hooked up, you can't see what it is. That means we're gonna go buy something. And we're buying ourselves, what, RJ?
What else but another 240? But thank goodness it's a hatchback because coupes are ugly.
What? Get out.
Yeah, right now.
Get out right now.
There's so many people.
Whatever. We'll talk about that later. But
we're gonna have a discussion.
we'll have a discussion. Okay, so as you guys know, we bought the two hatchbacks like 2 weeks ago to part out, and I've sold quite a bit of parts out those cars already to the point where they're almost fully paid off, which is pretty crazy because I still have a lot of parts left. Once again, another deal popped up that I can't refuse, and now that I have a truck, a trailer, and a big ass shop, it's really hard to say no to these deals.
Cash for clunkers, man.
Cash for clunkers, baby. That's it. One of my good friends has actually got his hands on a really, really beautiful stock hatch. I would say it's a barn find. We're gonna label it a barn find. And he hasn't been able to touch it in the last like year or so. It's just been sitting, and he finally wants to get rid of it, and he called me up and he's giving it to me for a crazy deal that I can't even say no. And yeah, get out of here, RJ. And it's always
know what a crazy deal for a 240 is, because they're like
it's a crazy
all
deal.
over the map.
It's a crazy deal.
See, I hate saying numerical values to you guys.
What, do you know how much he's paying for it?
Yes.
Why don't I not?
Because I'm better than you are.
Off-camera meeting.
So I hate saying numerical values online because it's always very controversial, and I don't want to hear it. But just take my word for it. It's very cheap, and I know always buying a car is always controversial. I don't really know what the plans are for this car. Like, I don't want to come in and say we're doing this big ass build because some of you guys will be like, oh, 240s. But it's a deal I can't pass up, and it's a car that I don't care if I buy this car and park it in the back of the shop for the next 2 years.
I was just about to say, it's just gonna end up like every other car you have. It's just you're gonna buy it, do a couple things to it, and then you're gonna park it in the corner, and everyone's gonna be like, why don't you drive it?
You know what? I'm okay with that, okay, RJ? You know what? I'm okay with that, and you guys will see why. I think so. My goal, I'm gonna give you right now, because we keep talking, but we'll talk some more. What I want to do is I want to get this car cleaned up, and then since I still have a lot of cool parts left over on the other two cars, take off the good parts from there, put on here, and we'll have ourselves a pretty cool, very clean, very stock style 240 that we can talk about what we're gonna do with it later, okay?
Yeah, when we figure out a plan for it, because right now you don't have one.
No, it's just, like I said, a deal I cannot pass up. What was that? Number 7, I said that?
Just accept it, RJ. Just accept it.
I have accepted it. I'm in the truck on the way to go get it. What am I gonna do? Tell you not to buy it? I can't tell you what to do.
like
I'm not your dad.
So, whatever. We're gonna show up in like 20 minutes, and you guys will see in a second.
20 minutes? We've been in the car for 40 already.
See you soon. All right, we're almost there. This car isn't a piece of shit.
Found it.
There it is.
There we go. What's up?
All right. Go check it out.
Wait a minute. This isn't a barn find.
It's a house
Almost. Barn's up the street.
It's a friend find.
Mike, what do we have? It's been a long time since I've seen this car.
I know. It's been a long time since I've seen it too.
Yeah, I can tell. Look at the tires on this thing.
Dude, we literally, as soon as I got it that day, it's just been here.
Oh, great. I'm happy you put it on pavement, though.
Yeah.
What do you think, RJ?
I am not touching the back wheels. 100%. There's a lot of spiders in there.
Let's check this thing out.
Oh, wait.
What's that?
Is this your card?
Shut up.
David Blaine over
Oh my god. Oh, the smell. Oh my.
Yeah.
My lord. Yeah, it looks nice. All right, let's pop this hood, RJ.
Pop it.
Survey says truck motor. Oh Jesus. This thing ever run?
Ran on when we put it on the flatbed.
No way.
Yeah.
Nice work. So here we got a single cam KA 24, also coming in the Nissan hardbody, and it should have just stayed in there and not been put in here.
Not in here.
Not in here.
No.
It's alright. It's a clean car though.
Yeah, it's all there.
It's all there. Just sat for probably the last 4 years of its life. I don't know. Some of you guys might have noticed already, but this car actually used to belong to our buddy Cam from Haggard. This was his like untouched car that he got from his grandparents, and it's kind of cool that the car is still alive and not destroyed somewhere.
I feel like
Oh yeah, it is automatic.
Oh my god, it has rear hatch interior. It's got full interior.
Full interior.
I haven't seen a 240 with a full interior ever.
You see this right here? This whole section? Why it's better than a coupe.
Or you just go home, dude. Just get
Okay.
it.
I bet you the keys are in it.
I love how his hair just like bounced. I
didn't know it was better.
It
That was
just,
impressive.
Flowed.
Mike, do you think this thing will start if we put a jump pack on it?
Yeah.
No way.
Found the key. Yeah. Shocker.
Oh,
Here you
the
go.
old JDM,
man.
like
Oh, what is that? Oh, that's exactly what I need.
that's so hard for you.
Try and start her. Oh, come on. Should probably open the windows, get this stank out of here. God damn.
Thing out.
Yeah, you put that horn button back in there? I should take that thing out.
Get that one, but it's a shocker, dude.
Don't dirty this car up with that dirty nonsense.
Jimmy, would you say this car is shockingly clean?
He's gonna make us both ride in the bed on the way home. Make sure you say it, Jim. Make sure you say it.
That ain't going anywhere. All right, so we have another 240SX on the trailer, and a hatch, and a single cam, and four lug.
Yeah, just keep making this noise.
But this car is sick. We'll go through it more when we get to the shop. I'm excited to clean this thing, somehow figure out the smell of the interior, and just start. These things don't take much to look decent, so I don't know. I'm excited to play with it. Horn, thank you, homeboy. You gonna miss it?
Actually, kind of.
Yeah, we'll let you drive it once we. But yeah, let's get back to shop, get off the trailer, and see how big of a mistake I made.
Yoink. All right.
So RJ, what do you think? What do you think? Is it cleaner than you thought?
It's exactly nothing that I pictured.
Okay, fair enough. Yeah, it's just been sitting for a really long time. So the story was that Cam had this.
Whoa, hold on.
So I believe Cam, the previous owner to Mike, had this car sitting for I think 2 or 3 years, or maybe even longer than that. And then Mike acquired it, and then Mag had it sit for about a year now. So car hasn't really done much in like 4 or 5 years. So obviously that might cause some issues along with brakes and stuff like that. But I'm excited to get in it, clean it out, vacuum it up, and make it look like a car again. And luckily we have plenty of parts left on the other 2 hatches to make something pretty cool out of this. So
Comments. If anybody in the comments can answer this question for Jimmy that we just missed, Jimmy would like to know when corn hatches.
sprouts, what's the term for corn becoming of life? Well, we passed a lot of corn ice on the cob, okay? Fuck you guys. It's a goddamn party over here. We're on a minivan.
Is that Adam's new car?
Wow, Derek actually decided to come hang out. It was too cool for us.
Thank DJ.
What up? What up?
What do you think?
Checking out the new. It's a hell of a piece.
Because it's a hell of a piece. I like
it though.
You like it?
I do like it. You gonna get her hitting?
Hopefully.
She's gonna start tonight. Trust. If you guys could smell the inside of this car through this camera, whew, it's bad.
It's pretty huge.
It's real bad. Start it, start it, start it.
Wow! I didn't.
You weren't expecting to do that either.
I sounded confident that I was gonna run, but I definitely wasn't.
I thought it was gonna take a little more than that.
Yeah, I thought, yeah. Single cam life, boy. Gotta love it.
What is that noise though?
Oh my god, dude. She's running.
What'd I say? What'd I say? What'd I say?
The brakes work, baby. This thing's great. I should leave it auto. This thing's awesome.
I can drift this at the next event real quick.
What do you think, LZ? Looks extra
extras?
gross in the light. Holy crap. Hell, I mean, the tranny feels great. I think I should just leave it auto, get the AC to work, and
It's a mid daily. That's it.
I feel bad for anyone who dailies a 240. Let me show you how the key works in this pin. Ready? Oh. Off. There we go.
Mouse! There is a mouse.
Is it really a mouse?
Yeah, I'm calling him Mikey. Where'd he go?
Oh, he was right there.
Move the pedal.
He must have went in there.
No, move the pedal.
Nah, I just moved all that, dude.
Yeah, there's a legit mouse in here. Like,
Oh, dude, he scared the crap out of me.
Danielle, catch the mouse.
He's under here somewhere.
Oh no, there's a mouse living in my carpet. Dude, now we're like Hatch brothers and stuff.
what do you got? 3 of them?
You want one?
No.
You can have the purple one. That's all you.
Really?
Yeah, like that'll be your favorite purple 240.
Dang, stock airbox? There were some go out.
Yeah, that's definitely it. That's the big one.
In 20 years, people are gonna be looking for these. Mark
The
my
stock
words.
airbox, yeah.
Yep, because they're all gone. Some guy like Tommy F. Yeah, is gonna be like, dude, $300 for stock airbox just to make my car OEM.
Yo, get a Sharpie and write Nismo on it.
Ooh, dude.
I'll
I
sell
made
it, right?
so much money off him doing that. Yeah. What are you doing? Hey! No!
I just.
Nope.
Well, somehow I ended up with another 240SX and another hatch. So now I have 3 hatches in here, and it's ridiculous. But hope you guys aren't blowing up in the comments. This was just one of those things you couldn't pass up. And if you guys know 240s, you know I'm sitting on a really good car here. It is absolutely disgusting. I mean, like, look at it. It's been sitting forever. There's mice in it. There's crap everywhere. But the car is really, really straight. Has very minimal body damage. I mean, the front end, I've never seen a front end on 240 fit like this before. It's pretty nuts. And there's almost no rust on this car, which is completely unheard of for a Northeast 240. I don't know where you guys are from, but on the Northeast, there's always at least one fist-size hole somewhere. And yeah, I'm pretty pumped on this car. Like I said, I don't really know the plans for it. I know when I get a car, I like to give you guys a big detailed plan of what's gonna happen so you guys can get all stoked and know what to anticipate. But for this, just one of those cars that popped up that I didn't want to let go. And so I know we're at least going to spend the time to clean it up. I'll give it a good vacuum, give it a good wash, give it a good detail. And just because it deserves to not sit like this any longer. And after that, it could sit for the next couple years in my garage, or I could sell it, or what. We'll talk about it. So let me know what you guys think I should do with it. A part of me just wants to make it all pretty, leave it as is, just put some different wheels on it and clean it up and just have it. But who knows? Last thing I need is another car. So I'll stay tuned for you guys' comments and see what you guys think about it. Other than that, we're gonna head home for today. Nice short little day. Picked up a cool car, and honestly, I'm really excited. This is a really awesome find. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.